Well, that extra line I measured over there for the water spigot that goes outside, it was only an extra 20 feet of piping, you know, the insulation pipe tube. So it's probably going to cost me $5 worth of material to get that done. I'm glad I went ahead and measured that. Okay. Whew. So now I'm on my way back out of here. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. What am I going to show you next? Well, it might be installing pipe insulation to copper pipes, installing insulation, putting those wires up there, wrapping duct wise, air conditioning duct wise, reinstalling, securing loose strap, removing this wood that's out of here. Who knows? I mean, but whatever I do next time, I'm gonna show it. Oh, I'm glad that's over with. Hey, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.